CSX E750-23 Empty.
I thought I heard him coming this way. Well, good morning, guys. Time is now 1:13 a.m. I heard him blowing his horn around Gallup Park area or Randolph Road, so I knew he was coming, but I wasn't sure which way he's going. Did he say westbound 1. E750-23 Empty Coal. Alright, I'm going to drive up to Gettysburg for the DD. Defense detector. For some reason I can't get it right here. Wait a minute. So, forgot. I can use your own ones. What the?
Incarnation, sir. That's power cash
Stupid ass.
isn't just for military members.
But still,
You can get cash back on purchases. Friggins, you're ruined my favorite song. PetFed Credit Union. Visit petfed.com/powercash to receive any advertised product. You must become a member of PetFed and truly receive it.
ads.
You want to give me a switch over?
I hate ads, but that one I like.
You have to do it on the same time. You can give me the switch and do the authority later. Okay, well, that's 1-1-9-5-1-1 25.0 project was first at 2300 Outerback handles the switch, both the engineer and conductor initial staff. IBA 25.0 cut the tower reverse null, switch on by Outerback, switch awareness bonus fill out 0117 JCM. Over. That's right, X. How long do you think up to office period? About 15 minutes. Okay, show location number. Nice baby up.
I wonder who this bird talking to. Huh. Alright, this gotta be a 600 plus axles. Maybe, I don't know. I find out when the defect detector at milepost 22.6. This is like a 200 plus empty coal, I think. I don't know. I could gone to Randolph Road, but the time I get over there, his hand end will be already passed. So, because I...
CSX E750-23 West 130,
Alright, westbound. You guys look good. You guys be safe going westbound. Let's see if we can...
Dispatch X 21725, engine 33. X17 for an over. Change of plans. We're not going to set them out at Hancock, but they'll do it at Cumberland. So keep it coming. Crew's waiting on their cab to show up. Supposed to be there by 1:30 now.
Track west, clear signal to Derwood
Looking at your run time, looking at Pawpaw. Want to see what you think?
I have no idea. Alright, see you guys on the next one. I might go to Cheeborg or Ponawaks. Somewhere. Alright, talk to you guys a little bit.